I have never thought this कि यार ऐसे भी होता है क्या? Okay, and I am doing the stuff, but it is not in a structured way. It's like that ki, and she has explained me the entire stuff ki, okay, let us not go 10 thing at a time. Let us take one thing at a time. Let's settle for 1, 2. Then we will take third and fourth. Don't get too much boggle. And whatever journey you are doing, let us a partnership stuff with you. Other than you carrying monkeys on your own shoulder. So that was something because I have never thought that यार ऐसे भी life जी सकते हैं. It was amazing for me, like.
And thank you for sharing, Rudra, because so many powerful insights that you've taken away for yourself. Amazing.
Because, ma'am, to be very honest, we are from a sales, and you know how the sales people are different. Not a brand manager of any of the brand. In our mind, there is that कि मेरा चीज बिका मतलब sales हो गया. But it's like that कि madam told that कि it's not a sales always. It's a journey. And it's an amalgamation of two culture, because in my case I was from a different culture coming to a different culture, how people adopting me, how people seeing me, and how I see to the people, what should be my dialogue delivery, what should be my expectation from them, what they are expecting from me. So that was the whole story, and it was an eye opener for me, to be very honest. And the way she structured the stuff now, it was, I can say, my 50 minute is been invested in the right share, I can say.
Wow.
That was so powerful. Thank you so much for that, Rudra. Thank you so much. That was really powerful. Nandita, would you like to add to anything? I know you were in the room with Rudra.
So my perspective is so different from what Rudra shared. And I just played back some words. That's all that I did. All the stories came from him. All the wisdom was sitting inside him. He was doing a lot of hard work of sharing, just letting stuff out. I just showed him the mirror once in a while. There were a few words that I caught on and I played them back to him. And I think the insights just happened. So my perspective is very different. All the structuring that he's talking about, that was all your show, sir. Though I'm happy that dance we did together. Very happy about that. Thank you so much
for that.
Thank you, Nandita. Varun, you were also smiling as you came in. You had this deep, satisfied grin on your face. Do you want to share? Yeah, you got that.
Yes, ma'am, sure. Actually, there were some questions. Such as actually, I've tell them that what was my issue, and they instead of giving their answers, they told me that thing, that whatever you are assuming and whatever is your reality, what is holding you, what is grabbing you like to move forward. So instead of assuming something, we should proceed. Whatever will be the result, either it will be a failure, it will be a success, but it doesn't matter about the result. It matters all about the experience and what you learn from them. And you can try next time, because if the next time if you try, there will be the experience of the first things, the first mistake that we have repeated. So you don't repeat. So in short, I will say the sir told me actions are more important, because whatever you think, it should be the actionable should be more instead of thought process. There will be a thought process, but the actions will be more. The actions shows the thought process as well, that whatever you are thinking, whatever you are instead of, I will say, assuming, you can just go whatever you know, have some real practical opinion. Also, so thank you very much.
Prasad, how did it look like from your side?
Yeah, so Varun came across as a very person. Couple questions, his thinking shifted from what exactly he was thinking before 30 minutes and what has he started thinking after 30 minutes,
Right.
right? So some of the questions, like he has some kind of a fear. So one simple question shifted his thinking as to what is this fear and assumption, validated fact. Roots is facing, then was all assumption.
Maybe 30
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, Varun. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
Priya, how was that for you? Would you like to come in?
I think, what can I say? Abhilasha is more of a guide, trying to just bring out things which, like some of my earlier coaches also said, co-coaches also said, she brought out a lot of things which were within me. She also gave me food for thought about things where I should be a little more serious without really telling me, you need to do this or you need to do that. But she guided me towards it, and I realized that yes, maybe I have not given enough thought. Maybe that was an angle that I needed to look at, or a perspective which I have not really pursued too much. And she questioned me on a couple of things. Gave me an idea that I had very limited thinking over certain issues. What was stopping me was my own assumptions about things. Whereas the answers are within me. All I needed was somebody to possibly guide me through the thinking process or my plan or whatever you can call it. I think she got fed up with me. I'm giving her a lot.
Priya, your voice is very feeble. I don't know if you have a headphone or we are we are missing a few words.
Hello?
Is it me?
Can you hear me now?
Much better.
Much better, Priya.
Sorry,
Whatever you
tell me, okay? So, she's been an eye-opener. Interaction with Abhilasha has been an eye-opener to an extent that we definitely see a lot of positives of you through certain very critical parts. Mine was possibly not that critical, but I think you have the right person.
We've lost you again, Priya.
Priya, losing you, yeah, losing you.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Better.
Okay. So, just that at critical junctures of your life or your business or whatever the problem area is, you have the right kind of coach who's directing you the process of thinking, who's clarifying your thought process, eliminating a lot of the assumptions that you have about certain situations or yourself or whatever it is. I think it makes life a lot more easier and a lot more uncomplicated. That word. I think the entire thing is, her exercise with me has uncomplicated a lot of my thinking. Made me aware that a lot of decisions are within me, actions are within me. But I'd love to hear what she has to say.
So it was a beautiful session for me. Like Priya said, all the answers were within her. Right. Some of them were a little entangled, but she was able to beautifully, disentangle them and come up with her own answers. Right. I was just there to nudge a little bit here and nudge a little bit there. That's that. You have all the answers. Just go do it.
Thank
Can't
you.
hear you.
Thank you so much for that, Abhi. Thank you.
Thank you, Priya.
Do we want Ajit and Harish? Would you all like to go next?
Harish,
Yeah, at
please
the
unmute.
outset, I must express my gratitude to ICF Forum as well as BMA to give us a platform to express our thought process about the future and how one can shape up your career. To be honest with you, Afshin, the thought process was that I have been also thinking like the way all you have been a coach, how I can become a coach, and that's my dream, to be honest with you. So yeah, so I was really excited to participate in this forum, and so that's what I was bothering my mentor, Ajit. What is the best way I can look forward? To be honest with you, so far, Afshin, my career perspective, I have been giving a kind of a strategic consulting in a pharmaceutical industry. So I have been giving more in portfolio directions, about how to manage the portfolio, optimize the portfolio, and etc. But I thought along with the strategic insight, if I can have a coaching ability, I can add more value, bring it on table. So my idea was in my career path, is that how I can, I was sharing with him, probably for me, I understand coaching could be like adding a life into your years. The coaching can help you that kind of perspective. You can make your life be more enriched. So if I can add value to the table or client, and I can say, hey, I can support you somewhere in a behavioral part, beside the strategic part, and together we could develop some kind of goal, common goal. And if I can add value, that's what my thinking was. So honestly, I after interaction, I feel more little clearer than what is the two. I think he made me to think of two short-term goals. What are the two things which you would like to do, which will make you to move forward towards your path. So that is what we were thinking, that I need some roadmap. I did two goals to start in a small time available, half an hour. So probably he could help me to zero down on two goals. These are the two goals you should move forward. That will give you some kind of platform to move forward. That's one, and build up a confidence. And I think couple of things he touched upon my thought process is my satisfaction. So what I am looking forward is the satisfaction end of the day. To be honest with you, monetary gain all will follow once you can add value on table. So yes, my thought is also how I can bring more satisfaction in my life, and that which can delight me. So honestly, I'm looking at that approach. The approach which can delight me more, option, which can give me more satisfaction, and with that purpose, I was keen to find out a way forward how I can, and really he built up my confidence, and we had a good interactions. And as what I was looking forward is, he talked about it certainly. These are the kind of it's not going to be so easy. I was asking what are the challenges in being a coach, and he rightly said, nobody wants coach. Let's start from there. So that's a very right way saying no. Okay, it's going not to be so easy sell. So you become a coach and you go back to the. I was asking if I had to touch upon some industry people like yours training department, and I said, hey, I am a coach. I want to coach you. Will you entertain me? He said, no way. So that's where you look at the kind of how one can look at what kind of certification you require, what kind of skill set required. That was my query. My thought need was if he can help me to zero down on some kind of a specific skill which I can develop myself, and some kind of a certification which can give me a platform and some results. So it was a good interactions. So I think it's at least I got some clue about how we go about it. So this will add further to my thought process and enrich myself. I would look forward to my mentor, what Mr. Ajit has to share.
Okay. It was a pleasure talking to Harish, and first off the record, I want to say here that I have a tremendous respect for all the humility that Harish has, and acknowledging and asking for basic things and then accepting. To be very honest, I was a bit overawed by his background and the experience that he has, and with all that, he was able to be that humble human being who wants to know more. Very few people come close to this. I appreciate you, Harish. All my respects to you.
Thank you.
Yeah, and I welcome you to this coaching fraternity. I'm sure coaching as a profession will be enriched by you coming into it. Thanks.
How are you feeling with that conversation, Harish? All your questions, your curiosity, and I remember you saying I was
Yes,
coming
dear.
like a
So
parachute.
what I was looking certainly my only, as I was talking to you, I would love to contribute in this area. That's my desire. I have heard about coaches, I said, why not? I could be. Sometimes people do tell me, okay, when I was I'll tell you, Meghna, when I was a sales manager, when I was a divisional head, believe me, I used to even participate in the management development programs, MDP. In our company, Mr. Ajit will vouch me. In pharma industry, there is a common approach. Okay, you have an MDP session. So we invite our inside faculty and outside faculty. So I used to take a part. I used to be an inside faculty. So मैंने हमारे company को बोला कि don't worry, I'll take care of the MDP part of it. Maybe on a execution MDP or a leadership MDP. And today also I am taking as a visiting faculty in a management institute like NMIMS Wellinger, where I am also taking a sales management, leadership models. So honestly speaking, I was very open that what more I need to bring in on table, how I can enrich myself so that I can add value in my learning process. So honestly, I am very open and looking forward that what are the further skill I need to add on, enrich myself, so I can contribute more to the. Education is my another passion. I am a visiting faculty for 20 years, Meghna. You'll be surprised. I started my visiting faculty in 1994 in NMIMS. So then I am still a visiting faculty at NMIMS. And today I am in Wellinger also. And along with ma'am, I am doing my research work with ma'am at Jamnalal Bajaj, my doctorate. So you can see that kind of a opportunity.
That's so much.
So I am very
so much drive and so much passion, Harish.
I love the education, but I love the consulting part, dear. So I'm very keen that if I could become a successful coach, it will be my dream come true.
Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club.
But I need to qualify for it, dear.
You will, with the kind of passion that you have and the kind of energy and the drive that you have with everything that you're doing, I have no doubt you will make that journey.
That's what I need, some help and some holding hand and some roadmap, which can help me to shape up my career.
We are more than happy.
Thank you.
More than happy.
Like all pharma sales people have got the same interest at any age of their life.
Yeah, I see.
We look forward to having you a part of our fraternity, Harish.
So nice of you. Thank you, dear. It gives me a lot of delight and I must say that BMA gave us the opportunity to interact with you people. We didn't know such a talented you people are there, ICF, the forum in India. I was not aware of it, to be honest with you. I expressed my ignorance. So that's what I asked Mr. Ajit, please guide me. What are the kind of way I can work forward? He was kind enough.
One of the things, Meghna, if I can add, after listening to all the coaches, is the way they have understood what coaching is all about. Because when I was talking to Varun, we started off on a different note. So, even I didn't know that I had to explain him what coaching is. But I explained him probably for around 4 or 5 minutes what we should be expecting out of this session. And he was quick onto it and, came up with his answers. Never once he said, why are you not giving me solutions? He kept thinking. At one point in time, he said, no, can you tell me? So I pushed him back. Yes. He again came back. And, I think that's what is also required from good coaches, right? Willing to take the responsibility, willing to take that ownership. I think that's what makes this partnership so wonderful. So despite not being aware how this whole thing worked, in just 20-25 minutes, they were able to shift their thinking is what I'm observing. So hats off to all of you.
Big thank you to all the coaches. They help us to shift our thought process. Big thanks to BM and all the coaches. Really thankful from the grace of my heart.
My pleasure, Varun. Thank you.
Meghna, I'm just muting everyone so that there's no background noise. And then whoever wants to speak can unmute.
Would anyone else like to share their coaching experience? We heard from 3 or 4 people. Anyone else would like to come in? Nimesh? Yes, Chetan.
Yeah, I really thanks to Ramya ma'am. It was very insightful session for me, and I really got like a roadmap also and blueprint and strategies also. So I will work on it and I will implement in my career path. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chetan. How was it, Ramya? Would you want to come in and share anything about the session?
I must applaud Chetan for being so clear and having so much in his arsenal to be ready to go forth and conquer, honestly, because he was so clear. The clarity he had was amazing. He is so enthusiastic. There's nothing he cannot achieve. So it was a pleasure to work with him. Absolutely, the energy was amazing.
Lovely.
Thank you.
I can share one thing. Like I was just googling to the Google about Nandita ma'am, right? So it fit for me like note to self. Like when things feel overwhelming, remember one thought at a time, one task at a time, one day at a time. Just going through her LinkedIn profile.
That's a gem, Rudra. Thank you for sharing it with all of us. But that's a gem, Nandita.
Because that what she has written, I just asked her how should I get connected with her. That is on the LinkedIn. I just shared this with my family also, because I just told her that I belong to a family which is full of an IITians, and what was my perspective and the way she guided and what the notes she given to me. That these are the 3 tips you should look into that, and this is the same thing what she has written. I think many years back. The same she just has shown me a mirror. I can say you are doing good. These are the things which are lacking. Do this and see yourself where you are going to be landing. That's it. Rather than वो होता है ना हिरन के अंदर कस्तूरी होती है, but he think that the smell is coming from somewhere else, and he run behind that, but it is with you only.
Beautiful metaphor. Thank you, Rudra. Pushpa, what about you? Would you like to share? Do we have? Preeti? Hi, who are you with?
Hi, I was with Nimish. I would like to invite Nimish to speak about it first.
Yeah, I'm audible?
Yes, you are, Nimish.
Okay, first of all, thank you ICF and BMA and especially the Preeti ma'am for mentoring me and having a coaching session. So this was my first experience of coaching, one-to-one coaching, and it was a great experience. I had shared my one challenge with her, and she listened calmly. She listened and she suggested something, and from her talk, I derived 3 questions, which I will work on it. And I think this is the first step to start finding the answer of the challenge or question which I am having. So again, thank you very much, all of you. That's it.
Thank you for sharing, Nimish. I'm glad you're taking away some value for yourself. Kavita ma'am, how was it for you?
Before that, can I come in and just
yes,
my coach's experience here? Thank you. So I would really like to acknowledge Nimish's curiosity with which he came into the session, and he, as he said, it was his first coaching experience, and he came out opening up his vulnerability and showing what he was so wanting. His desire was so strong and ready to put in whatever effort is required to be on that journey. And since it was the first coaching, there was a lot of temptation from his side. Jaldi bata do, what is to be done? But so it was, I had to kind of gently hold him over there, trying to take him the journey of coaching, which he accepted well. And towards the end, he found some nuggets for himself, which he's promised that he'll work upon. I'm very thankful for that. Yeah.
Wonderful. Thank you, Preeti. Ma'am, would you like to come in? Would you like to share how it went for you?
Yes. So first of all, it was a lottery for me.
Yes.
Because I had not registered, but then thanks to Vikram, he could not join, and then I got opportunity. In fact, 2 times. Once with Shweta, but I could not complete because Pushpa came in the room, and then with Devendra, which we could get at least, I think, around 30 minutes. And it was very nice. It went very well. And all of us, we know the problem of us, the time management, and we started at one point, and finally it boiled at managing the time. So till the time he had to tell me that how do we work on it, I think the time got over. But thanks to Devendra, he was very, very supportive, and our conversation went very well. I'm happy that we could meet for at least half an hour. And given the time, I think next time when we meet, I think I'll get more inputs from the coach. But thank you very much for this. And at least the point is where the focus needs to be is identified. I can work on that.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. And I know Devin had some connectivity challenges, and he was struggling to join us, but he could come in. So glad you could make it, Devendra. Would you want to share your perspective, Devendra?
Yeah, Meghna. So once again, apologies for joining in late, but the best part is I was able to get to know Kavita ma'am, and the great thing is about she is so humble in spite of having her own academic echelon. It was just a discussion which I was conscious of 30 minutes, but I never let it be the a pressure kind of a situation, and the discussion just went into a flow with some common areas, and then really changing the goalpost from what we started was and finally went to. So would definitely love to have more opportunity where I can connect with Kavita ma'am, but I really felt satisfied that we started off and were about to take it ahead, but maybe next time we can have a look at it. But thanks a lot. Thanks for this opportunity.
Actually, the breakout rooms were stopped when we were going to discuss about the way ahead or the actionable points. So we missed that, but I think the moment of understanding where the work needs to be done is clear to me now. Thank you, Devendra, for that.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing. Shweta, I was calling up for Pushpa, but I think she's dropped off. Do you want to just come in with your perspective?
Yeah, I think she was on the road somewhere. I think it would be right for me to share anything when she is not in the room, but lovely to have this opportunity to interact with her. The same things that a lot of other coaches shared. She was curious, got on to understand what coaching was very quickly, and we started off with something and we were able to explore a lot deeper in a very short period of time. So really grateful for that conversation.
Thanks, Shweta. Yeah, we don't want to talk anything confidential or how her perspective was when she's not around, but yeah. Did we hear from Deepa? Deepa, would you like to come in? How was it for you, my dear? Deepa, you're on mute if you're talking.
Ma'am, Deepa is part of the secretariat. I don't think she has attended any session.
She's not.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. So with that, I think I just want to pause for any Q&A. Any questions, anything we can address as we come to a close, any reflections that the group wants to share? The coaches or the coachees, either one. But largely, this was a session that was planned for you all to have an experience of what coaching can enable, what the conversation feels like, to get you a real taste of how that experience works. We have a few people who've come in for the debrief who joined us at 6 o'clock. Dhyaneshwar, Suresh. I know you've been listening in as the experiences were being shared. Would you guys want to, is there anything that we can address, any curiosity, any clarification, anything that we can share that will help you?
Meghna, can I just come in?
Yes, yes, of course, Namita.
Yeah. So there were a few questions from Rudra about how to take this forward. So if you can just take this up here in this forum right away or separately, because these are some questions that some of our clients may have, and it'll be nice if we can guide them right away.
So do you want Rudra to ask in your question and we can address it?
It's like that. This is one session, one consulting we did with the ma'am.
Yes.
Then what is the other way how we can get connected to our coaches so that it will be not a one discussion, but we will have a series of stuff. And if there is any consultation fees also, we are ready to pay that, because this is something which is really helping us for our own development. And we have never thought from that perspective, to be very honest.
Okay.
Because we have in pharma different paid coaches coming, delivering the dialogue for 45 minutes or 90 minutes and going away. But this is something like in pharma, we want that you deliver this stuff, they deliver, they go. But they never show us the inner side of us. What we show that a mirror.
Okay.
Ma'am really shown us a mirror. This is what has been required.
I hear you. I totally
That's
hear
why.
you, Rudra. Totally hear you. So let me just check in with the group. If we were to take this forward in some kind of a logical way, and perhaps I can't solve for it right now, Rudra, I can't give you a very, specific response right now, but we'll come back to BMA and we'll come back to you. But I just want a quick show of hands. How many of you reflect the same thinking that Rudra does and would want to take this conversation forward as a follow through or something like that? Then we can, if I just know what's the interest like, then we know what we need to design for.
Yeah.
Meghna, I think it is a representative concern only, because I got a message from Pushpa also that how do we get in touch with the coach, and that is what everyone has. So what we will do, we will get back to these coaches as we have got them here. So let us discuss it off the this, and then identify how we can give them the contacts or any other requirement. As our Shripad is not here, let us talk in front of him, identify a strategy, and we will give them all the information about how to go about it and things like that. So let us halt here for this particular question. We are interested in helping everyone, and the connections to be made for there is a demand and there is a supply, so we will do that. But let us not declare anything right now. We will talk to Shri Bathus.
Absolutely. No, ma'am, just wanted to check in to see how many people are putting their hands up.
Yes.
And I get the sense that quite a few are interested. So
Ma'am,
let's
may
take
we
this
ask
offline.
you to create a list of these? If anyone's interested, can you give your name to Kavita ma'am, and we'll take it forward from there as well. So right now itself, if you all want to reach out to Kavita ma'am, and we'll start creating a way forward for you, because we would like to take this forward.
Yes.
Or just put a yes in the chat box and we'll capture it. We'll just put down yes interested in the chat box, and we know that we have got 4 or 5 whoever is putting their hand up, and we'll kind of structure a way for you to connect. Yes, Rudra, I know he's writing in caps. Thank you, Rudra. So Rudra, I heard, Pushpa, I heard, ma'am, Harish, I heard, and then I know Kavita ma'am, you put your hand up as well, so I heard that. Lovely. Chetan as well. Lovely. And Varun.
Priya is raising her hand as well.
Okay, that's pretty much everybody. Nimish, Priya, okay. Varun as well. Okay. Got it. Lovely. So making a note of that, and ma'am, then we will, Shripad possibly will connect back with you. Coming to the close of the event and a wrap up, Afshin, do you want to come in? You want to just
Thank you all. It has been such a pleasure, and just watching you all come back in with those big grins from both coaches and coaches. Just seeing you all have that aha moment. Each of you described it in such different ways, and seeing if from the coaching fraternity to see our coaches come in and say, but all we did was reflect back to you. All we did was show you a mirror. All we did was it was all you. I think each coach said the exact same thing in their own way, where it wasn't us, it was all you. And you all came in with I can see you all have action steps and things that you want to do, and you come back so driven. And just from an outsider's perspective, I'm sure Meghna echoes this feeling. We feel so satisfied to see this, to hear the feedback that you get, and to see that sense of accomplishment in your eyes and in your voice, and sense it in all that you're doing. So thank you all. Thank you both coaches and coachees. I know we asked to take some time out of a busy work day, and so thank you all for being here. One of the things that I want to say is that you always get what you give. The more, it's one of Newton's laws. Every action gets an equal and opposite reaction. So coaches, a big shout out for you for coming in with such open hearts and giving it an effective coaching conversation, because we have chosen the best of the best for you in particular. So thank you all. A round of applause to each and every one of you for being here, for putting your best foot forward, for being open, for being honest, for being vulnerable if you had to be. But thank you all, and we are really to take this conversation forward, to have new members in our coaching fraternity. I hope it's more than just one, but really just thank you all. We are just so humbled and really just so touched to be here.
Thank you, Afshin, and the whole coaching federation, all the coaches, and we are really happy that we had this, which is an eye-opener for many of us, and it is giving the direction for making the achievements in life. Thank you, ICF. Thanks to Shripad. Thanks to everyone. And the BMA participants, the members of BMA, I could see them here, the experiencing. My request to all the participants will be this half an hour session that we had will be on our YouTube, the BMA YouTube channel. Please log on to that, give your comments there so that others can also join us as we offer such kind of product or such kind of event to the other members also. You all are aware that Bombay Management Association is holding seminars every Wednesdays and in the name of Wednesday Wisdom webinar and Friday Fundamentals. The coming Wednesday, the 6th of October, we have a Bombay Management Association Masterclass by none other than Professor Sandeep Gokhale, a very celebrated professor, and we are going to listen to him on 6th of October. Do join us at 5 o'clock in the evening for the BMA Masterclass and listen to Professor Sandeep Gokhale. BMA YouTube channel has more than 180 very interesting YouTube videos. Please log on to BMA, subscribe, and listen to some very interesting videos that we have made through these webinars. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for registering. Hope to have you in our future endeavors with ICF in order to spread the word for the experience that you had for coaching and motivate people to get coached through this for their betterment and the career prospects. Thank you very much, all of you, ICF, the BMA participants, and everyone who is here in this particular session of BMA ICF, the experience of coaching.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very
Neha,
much.
would you like to officially close the event?
Yeah,
Would you like
just
to
close. I just want to acknowledge, we acknowledge the participants, we want to acknowledge all the coaches also who turned up, who've taken time off, and who, no doubt, who are feeling, fulfilled because of what the sessions that have gone. But thank you for doing this, and thank you for evangelizing the coaching on behalf of the chapter. So I just an acknowledgement to the coaches as well. Thank you for coming in and making it successful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Close it now.
Yeah, ma'am.